guys. Make sure that oven is off. All the stuff is off. All the stuff is off. Now this is where the magic happens. So there's the sauce. This is the top bun. This is your bottom bun. Now watch this, guys. You gotta take the burgers. You lay them up there. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This burger is just freaking falling apart. And what I like to do is that chunks of the burger that I can't put on there, that will go there. I will hit this with a little bit of this sauce. Look at this. I take the back end of the spoon. This is the homemade sauce that we made right here, guys. I will hit that a little bit right there. We'll smother that a little bit. So we got that. Ooh, almost dropped the bun. We will put that there. Now here's the little trick, guys. My hands are freaking a mess. Give me a second. Maybe I could be like Food Network. Maybe the Food Network will hire me. What I always like to do is I take this spatula and smash it, guys, because you gotta get all that in there. You gotta smash it. Because right now how big it is, I couldn't even fit it into my mouth. But now, let's take a good look at that burger. Look at that, guys. Can you guys see that? Let's take a look at that burger. Let's get a little bit more light action. Can you guys see that burger? Look at that, guys. Now, I'm going to do one extra step that most people don't do, and some people give me a hard time for it, but I like to cut my burger in half. I'm a burger cutter. So, here's what we'll do. We'll just take this. We'll just slice it right down the middle. Nice and perfect. There we go. Now here is the magic right here, guys. Like I said, this is the moment of truth. Let's take a look. Let's turn this burger this way. Can you guys see? Let me add a little light to that. Can you guys see that? There's my burger, guys. Let me try to turn this a little bit so you guys can get a good cross section. That's the problem, man. I messed up. I really should have got an onion, and normally I grill up my onion, but I did not, man. I two ingredients I missed out on was the garlic for the sauce, and I wanted to make a grilled onion. But I did add bacon, so the bacon will kind of save it for me, guys. Let's add that there. Let's add this one here. Now, like I said, the problem with this is this freaking burger is a mess to eat. Look at all this. I just dumped this right onto the fries, so you get a little bit of ground beef French fries. Now, the worst part is the freaking cleaning. So now I have all this freaking mess. So I will have to wash all these freaking dishes. That's another reason why I don't cook all the time. So let me go set this up over here. This is the most important part, is the eating part. You got your burger sauce. So, I got my drink. I just wish this living room had some more light. The light is kind of the big issue here. But we will show you guys. I'll get a little lower ground view for you guys. Let's see. Let me actually zoom in too. So can you guys see that? There's a zoomed in light view. She would wash. But she almost does none of the cooking, so it's kind of a fair deal. She'll wash, I'll clean. I mean, I'll cook, she'll wash. Look at that. The sauce is here. Everything is here. She doesn't really know how to cook. At least not as good as me, for sure. So now I just got to dig into this burger. First, I want to try some of these fries. Let me try Try to set you guys up there. I hate